issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Pickens County, southern Lamar County, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I missed the EAS tones.
p.m. Central
Dang
Daylight
it.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Colola Springs, or near Columbus Air Force Base, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
I think it's starting to reach us.
Radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors.
They said it would miss us though. What the heck?
Hail damage to roofs, siding, windows.
They said it'd be South Alabama, not Central.
Roofs, siding,
what is going on?
Locations impacted include Reform, Millport,
I'm gonna check the
Kennedy,
radar after
Edwardsville,
this.
North Pickens Airport, McShann, Forest,
Unless this is a doubleheader.
Milburn, Shaw and Owens. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Lamar and Pickens. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe...
Wow. Okay.